Well, as you can see, we're only in stage 1 of Hurricane Irene hitting New York City, and I don't know how much you can see, but I'm gonna be making at least 5 more of these videos until the hurricane is gone completely. And it's not that bad at first, but yeah, it's still pretty badass. Oh boy. See, now the wind just started to kick up. Holy shit. I just want some trees to fall down. Look at that one right there. That one is totally gonna fall. It is like leaning to the left. Like, dude, just fall already. And that pathetic one down there, can you see that? I hope you can. Oh, shit. This should be pretty badass. Like I said, I'll be making at least 4 or 5 of these videos. Just for the fuck of it, because I'm bored as shit. Might as well record the fucker. Ain't nothing too serious. Oh, Jesus.